Welcome, listener. Today we will discuss some programs based on previous lectures. This is my first program. Given coordinates x1, y1 and x2, y2, write a program to calculate the distance between 2 points. Now enter the x coordinate of the first point. We put in variable x1. Enter the y coordinate of the first point. We put in the variable y1. Enter the x coordinate of the second point. We put in the variable x2. Enter the y coordinate of the second point. We put in the variable y2. Now x1 contains integer value, y1 contains integer value, x2 also contains integer value, and y2 also contains integer value. Now distance equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square whole to the power 0.5. That's why double asterisk 0.5. Then the result should be the distance between the 2 points is distance. So if we put x coordinate of the first point as 2, y coordinate of the first point 3, x coordinate of the second point 6, y coordinate of the second point 7, then the distance between the 2 points is this, that is 5.65685424949238. Now if we solve the same problem using different way, that is we import math, then we put the x coordinate of the first point in the variable x1 and that should be integer type. Y coordinate of the first point should put in the variable y1 and that should be integer type. X coordinate of the second point should put in the variable x2, that should be integer type. Y coordinate of the second point should put in the variable y2 and that should be integer type. Then distance equal to math.sqrt. Here sqrt is square root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. And then the distance between the 2 points is, that should be under double quote, comma, distance. So same results comes, that is x coordinate of first point is 2, y coordinate of first point is 3, x coordinate of second point is 6, y coordinate of the second point is 7, then distance between the 2 points is 5.65685424949238. Now write a program to calculate area of a triangle using Heron's formula. Here A, B, C are the sides of the triangle. Then the formula is area equal to root under S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S equal to A plus B plus C by 2. That's why we have write the code in this fashion. The first side of the triangle we put in the variable A and that should be integer type. Second side of the triangle we put in the variable B, that should be integer type. Third side of the triangle we put in the variable C and that should be integer type. Then S equal to A plus B plus C by 2 and area equal to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C whole to the power 0.5. That's why double asterisk 0.5. Then print area equal to area. So first side of the triangle if we put 12, second side of the triangle if we put 14, third side of the triangle if we put 16, then area equal to 81.3326 ... Now we solve the same problem, but here we put the first side of the triangle in variable A, but floating point number we are considering. Same way, second side of the triangle we put in the variable B, that should be floating type. third side of the triangle we put in the variable c, that should be floating type. Same way, s equal to a plus b plus c by 2, then area equal to s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c whole to the power 0.5. That's why double asterisk 0.5, then print area equal to area. So same way, your first side of the triangle is 12, second side of the triangle is 14, third side of the triangle is 16, then area equal to 81.3326 dot dot dot. Now, if we solve using sqrt, that function, in that case we import math function, that is import math, then a equal to float input, enter the first side of the triangle colon, that should be under double quote, b equal to float input, enter the second side of the triangle colon, that should be under double quote, c equal to float input, enter the third side of the triangle colon, that should be under double quote, then s equal to a plus b plus c by 2, and area equal to math dot sqrt of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, and then print area equal to area. So first side of the triangle if we put 12, second side of the triangle if we put 14, third side of the triangle if we put 16, then area equal to 81.33 dot dot. Write a program to check if three sides can form a triangle. Now enter side A, we put in the variable a, and that should be floating type. Enter side B, we put in the variable b, that should be floating type. Enter side C, we put in the variable c, that should be floating type. Now we know sum of two sides should be greater than third side. So in this case, we have to check this condition. That's why we have written if a plus b greater than c, and a plus c greater than b, and b plus c greater than a colon, print three given sides can form a triangle, that should be under double quote. Else colon, print three given sides cannot form a triangle, that should be under double quote. So enter side A if we put 12.2, enter side B if we put 18.1, enter side C if we put 15.4. We have seen that first condition meets, that is if condition, therefore three given sides can form a triangle. Now write a program to check if a number is multiple of 7 or not. Now first we take a number, that's why enter a number, we put the number in the variable num, and that should be integer type. Now check if num percentage 7 equal to 0, then print it is a multiple of 7, else colon, print it is not a multiple of 7. So enter a number, if we put 49, it is a multiple of 7. Enter a number 341, so 341 percentage 7 equal to 0, false, therefore it is not a multiple of 7, will display. Write a program to check if a number is divisible by both 3 and 5 or not. Now first we take a number, that's why enter a number, we put this in the variable num, and that should be integer type. Now if num percentage 3 equal to 0 and num percentage 5 equal to 0, colon, print the number is divisible by both 3 and 5, else colon, print the number is not divisible by both 3 and 5. So enter a number 45. So 45 percentage 3 equal to 0, true, and 45 percentage 5 equal to 0, this is also true. So this condition is true, therefore the number is divisible by both 3 and 5. Next, if we put num equal to 100, then 100 percentage 3 equal to 0, this is false, and 100 percentage 5 equal to 0, this is true. But AND operation, if one is false, then total expression is false, so we directly go to else part, therefore the number is not divisible by both 3 and 5, will display. Write a program to check if a year is a leap year or not. So year equal to int input, enter a year, that should be under double quote. If year percentage 4 equal to 0 and year percentage 100 not equal to 0, or year percentage 400 equal to 0 colon print the year is a leap year, else colon print the year is not a leap year. So enter a year. If we put 2024, the year is a leap year. Enter a year. If we put 2015, the year is not a leap year. Write a program to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division on two numbers using if, elif, else statement. Now here, enter first number, we put in the variable a, and that should be floating type. Enter second number, we put in the variable b, that should be floating type. OP equal to input, enter operator, that should be plus, minus, asterisk, and slash. Now if OP equal to plus, then print result equal to a plus b. If OP equal to minus, then print result equal to a minus b. If OP equal to asterisk, print result equal to a asterisk b. That is multiplication. If OP equal to slash colon, if b equal to 0, then print cannot divide by 0, else colon print result equal to a slash b, else colon print invalid operators. Now here you see, enter first number 12.0, enter second number 6.0, enter operator. If we put plus, then result equal to 12.0 plus 6.0 is 18.0. Now enter first number equal to 12.0, enter second number equal to 0, then enter operator slash, so cannot divide by 0. Now enter first number equal to 12, enter second number equal to 5, enter operator, we put slash, then result equal to 2.4. Now enter first number equal to 12, enter second number is equal to 7, enter operator, we put hat, then invalid operator. Thank you.